You do?
I think I want to do that the next 2 days. I think I'll do it.
I actually kind of want to do tandem. So that was a pretty solid landing for one of our jump dogs. You see, when they actually get closer to the ground, you see them pull on both handles. That helps them catch more air and slow them down so that they can land on their feet. Wind's a little strong today, and of course our last jumper coming down much more slowly because he's actually carrying a lot of weight. That is the Philippine national flag. Every single year they have brought honor to this flag and have usually opened the fiesta. This is actually more challenging because that flag is huge and there's a weight on the very end. Someone will catch it here on the ground.
You can use it as a scarf. You can use it as a headband. You can even use it as a mask, as a face mask.
The doors open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Alright, so Tim and Anthony Green, the twin world record holders, at some point they were top 1 and 2 in the world. Wow. I don't know what that was interchanging 1 and 2. They couldn't both be top 1.
But they look alike. In your eyes, they look alike. The one that became my
She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a pump.
Given clearance to land. So matutunguyan na po natin ang paglapag po nagagats to Westland the Navy Wildcat AW159 helicopter Mark 220. Makita nyo rin yan. Lalalim po siya sa kanan. At lalanding po siya dyan sa kalawa. Ayan na po. Nakita na po natin. Yan po mga kaibigan ng Augusta Westland 109E. One of the 5 Augusta Westland helicopters in the Philippine Navy, acquired in 2013, part of 5 aircrafts purchased from Italy. It is used for armed reconnaissance with close air support missions. The AW1.
Here at the Flying Carnival 2020. Normally, the low and slow pass is done so that the tower controllers can actually check whether an aircraft's landing gear is out, whether it's okay. But it is technically a very good display of the pilot's control over the aircraft because there are so many factors they have to consider. All right, the aircraft is coming in for another low and slow pass. This is once again the Navy Wildcat AW159 helicopter Mark 220. Alright, this one is piloted by Commander Coloma and Lieutenant Tapek alongside their Alright folks, we've got the jump dog skydivers coming in really hot. But don't you worry, these are experienced pilots, they know exactly what they're doing. Now if you saw that landing, he pulled on those handles very hard to slow down. They've got smoke trails so you can see them for sure. Another of the jump dogs coming in hot. But we know that they know what they're doing. They're gonna be okay. So they're gonna pull on those handles in just a little bit to catch a little more air and slow down. And he's safely on the ground. Last of our jump dog skydivers waving the Okada banner as he comes back to the ground.
Let's see if I can get them to talk. Just for a little bit. I don't know if anybody wants to talk for a bit.
The doors open. Take the hot road.
Piloted by the first woman helicopter pilot of the Philippine Coast Guard, Operations Officer Jay Sustento, with co-pilot Deputy Flight Commander Concharo and Boss Dino Garcia.
way she's approaching us. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Alright, it looks like the twins aren't coming down anytime soon. Okay, they're gonna pretend to come down and then they're gonna go right back up. That's how these twins do it. And they they'll be turning on the lights on the night so that you can still see them when it gets a little darker.
Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that.
And that sounds like someone's about to have a little more fun with the audience. Alright, you'll see the twins come back in just a short while, flying low and slow.
And take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.